Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Concur for travel expense tax categorization, detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure Concur for travel expense tax categorization, start by logging into your Concur account. Navigate to the Settings menu located at the top right corner of the dashboard. Select the Expense tab from the drop-down options. Locate the Tax Setup section within the Expense settings. Click on Manage Tax Codes to view existing tax codes available for categorization. To add a new tax code, select the option labeled Add Tax Code. Enter the name of the tax code in the designated field. Specify the applicable percentage rate for the new tax code. Assign the tax code to relevant expense categories by selecting them from the list. Save your changes to ensure the tax code is applied correctly. Next, return to the main expense settings page. Access the Expense Types section to review different types of travel expenses. Select each travel expense type to define appropriate tax categorizations. For each expense type, choose the applicable tax code from the drop-down menu. Be sure to save each configuration after making adjustments. Once all categories are configured, run a test expense report to verify tax calculations. Check the summary of taxes applied to ensure accuracy. If discrepancies arise, revisit the settings to adjust tax percentages or categorizations. After confirming everything is accurate, communicate the changes to relevant users. Provide guidance on how to categorize their travel expenses in accordance with the new setup. Monitor ongoing reports to ensure compliance and accuracy in tax categorization. Regularly review tax configurations periodically to adapt to any policy or tax law changes. This completes the configuration for travel expense tax categorization in Concur. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.